The Apple Watch. It's something that's been on my wrist
Since 2015.
and its 8th birthday was a few days ago. Now, I've decided how I use my Apple Watch has changed over the years. So this is the original Apple Watch, and I actually used this a few weeks ago instead of my Ultra. And that experience was very humbling in 2023. And it really got me thinking about the ways I use my Apple Watch in 2023. So there's probably 3 main categories I use my Apple Watch for. So first one, we have fitness tracking. So on the Apple Watch, there is built-in fitness rings as well as exercise tracking. So the fitness rings are 3 rings. You have your move, stand, and exercise. So your move ring tracks your active calories and about how active you are being throughout your day. Your exercise tracks minutes when your heart rate is high, and your stand makes sure you're standing 1 minute per hour. Now, I close my rings every day of the week, and I really enjoy it because it's kept me consistent and it's held me accountable to close these rings, which is something that before having an Apple Watch, I never really cared about. Now, the workout side of it. So with the exercise tracking and workout app, Apple has the ability to track your workouts. So there is a fitness app that goes hand in hand with Apple Fitness Plus if you do have that subscription service. If not, there is the regular workout app for everyone else, which tracks your workouts. So you can open the workout app, you can track whatever your workout you'd like, strength, walking, running, indoor, outdoor, and if you're outdoor, it'll use your GPS, which I think is pretty cool, especially with the Ultra having L1 and L5 GPS, being able to track my runs more accurately and kind of give me better data, I really enjoyed having. Now,
continuing with this category,
track my water intake as well using an app called Waterminder. So this is a third-party app. It is not from Apple, and it allows you to track your hydration intake as you go throughout the day to make sure you're drinking enough water, as well as providing you with an alert saying, hey, drink more water, or whatever the case may be. Now, the second most used feature on my Apple Watch is Apple Pay. So I actually never realized how much I use Apple Pay until trying to use my Apple Card on an Apple Watch that didn't support it. So I use the Apple Card as my main credit card. And having it just a click on my wrist and then being able to hold it to a reader and paying is great. I love it. I don't have to pull my iPhone out of my pocket. I don't have to scan my face and deal with any of that. I just click a button twice and then tap and I'm good and I'm paid. No questions asked. And also being able to just send payments using Apple Cash to my friends or whoever straight from my wrist without even having to get my iPhone involved has been really enjoyable because I kind of don't need this anymore. Granted, I do need it to pair my Apple Watch and have my Apple Watch work, which is annoying, but it's okay. The third category is staying connected. So getting all my notifications on my wrist, I've really enjoyed. Having phone calls and text messages come through right on my wrist, I love it. I can quickly glance at it, respond to someone, answer the phone call, and keep doing what I'm doing because I'm not tethered to being like on my phone with it in my ear like I would be normally if I was on a phone call or needing headphones. I can put it on speaker through my watch, go about my day. And then another feature that Apple introduced is walkie-talkies. So walkie-talkies is similar to a phone call, except they work like actual walkie-talkies. So you and your friend can be anywhere within the world and just kind of walkie-talkie each other. So you open the walkie-talkie app, pressing down the hold button, you speak whatever you want to, and then your friend will reply back to you. And I really enjoy having walkie-talkies because when you're in a quick, simple, like, hey, blah, 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 and then they can just quickly respond right back, it makes it easier than calling someone up or using text message and kind of waiting for them to reply. As walkie-talkies, it's instant. And it really is enjoyable because we never had walkie-talkies until about watchOS 6, I believe. And when Apple added it, everyone was kind of like, what is this? And as time has gone on, I've started using it and I absolutely love it because it's one of the additional ways that the Apple Watch helps you stay connected. Besides tracking your health, besides Apple Pay, it's also keeping you connected with the people on right from your wrist, which is something I gotta say I haven't seen other companies do to the perfection that Apple has. I know there are other features and other smartwatches out there, but Apple seemed to really hit the nail on the head with this one. Now, are there other ways you use your Apple Watch? Because I know everyone's different, so I want you to let me know with a comment below, and I also want you to leave a like and subscribe while you're down there if you appreciate the content I'm making. And I also want you to remember, today is a good day to make a great day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.